Alright, well, I don't know how well that solder job is, but we'll find out. So, alright, now what I got here is just some regular, just generic oven cleaner. I picked it up at one of the cheap little discount stores. I think this was $1. And all you have to do is just coat the entire lantern. Now, I'm not making any promises. I'm not going to cough. I do have safety glasses on. I do have gloves on. This is some pretty wicked shit. So don't get it in your eyes. But I'm going to start on the bottom first. And I'm going to get up in the air duct there too. But all you got to do, just go to town with it. Over everything. Hit the bottom. On the top. Working it real good. A couple of the other extra parts in there too. Burner cap. This guy. Take it. Seal it all up in the bag. Try to get as much air out of that as possible too. Now this is in my back bedroom, so holy crap. Just make sure you crack a window and leave this sit overnight. And once it sits overnight, take it in. We'll rinse it out real good and dry it up with the hair dryer. And yeah, we'll throw some paint on it, get it back in business. All right. 1921 Dietz #2 Blizzard. That's it. Thanks, guys.